Welcome, food lovers, to your very own Sohinis kitchen. Today I'm here with a recipe which is very tasty and easy to make, the Cabbage Kofta Curry. The Cabbage Kofta Curry is a mouth-watering vegetarian dish, and this recipe does not use any onion or garlic. So let's take a look at the recipe. The water content in the cabbage leaves is sufficient to make the koftas. You don't need to add any excess water to it. Fry on medium to low heat for 10 to 20 minutes until the koftas turn golden brown in color. Don't fry on high heat as that will cook the koftas on the outside, but the inside of the koftas will remain raw. The delicious cabbage kofta curry is now ready. Do give it a try and let me know how it turns out. Please use the comment section if you have any question or any suggestion for a future recipe or any feedback. I would love to read your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next week then with another exciting recipe. Till then, enjoy the cabbage kofta curry with your family and friends.